Hey y'all, it's Yvette and I am here with my Project Sweetwater box. I am super stoked to get it open and share it with you guys. It actually, this is, this is kind of crazy, but I just got it. Like, I don't know, yesterday, the day before, something like that. I'm opening it so quickly that I hope y'all all sitting down. I know, and I know that you guys know that, for some reason, I just lost my YouTube mojo. I don't know what it is. There's there's just so much going on YouTube lately that, you know, kind of, put me off a little bit. So I'm getting it back, guys. I'm getting it back. I feel really good today. And, I've got a little over a couple weeks before moving to Colorado. We have our house and now we need to start packing up. So I thought, let me get all these boxes open as, you know, whatever I can. And then that way I can like properly pack things. So here's the Project Sweetwater and let me get it open for you and for me and for JB because he just came up. Now he's all excited. And we actually have a cat lady box that we're going to open. So I know he's excited about that too. I might do that one next since he came back over here. He had left for a second. Okay, so let's get it open. Boop. Here it is inside. Let's check it out, JB. All right, got that. Okay. Say hello to SNOWKISSED. I love SNOWKISSED, you guys. It is adorable. I love it. Totally Sweetwater, totally right up my alley. I love it. It says, while we aren't quite ready for snow, I'm ready. I'm ready for snow. When I was in Colorado shopping for a house, it was 102 degrees like every day. And I don't care what anybody says about how there's no humidity. I don't care. Stick your head in the oven. Does that really feel any better to you? I mean, I don't know. Anyway, and I'm super excited because Sweetwater is in Colorado. Okay. While we aren't quite ready for snow, it's always time for Christmas sewing. So true. So in this box, okay, I'm not going to say what it is. Ooh. Okay. The next box is going to have grays in it, which is their next line, which is coming out. So that's super exciting. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have the patterns. And there they are. Oh my goodness, look at this. Y'all know I love the fabric with words, so that's exciting. Oh, and look how cute those are. Okay, so all the patterns are inside, and you're seeing on the outside all the patterns. So you can see exactly what they are. Okay. I don't know what this is. There's a little dice in here. We got some little dice with nothing on them. That must have to do with these little Christmas trees. I bet it is. They probably put fabric around those or something somehow, and that's what these guys are. That's what I'm thinking. Ooh, there's a butterscotch. I haven't had lunch. All right, hopefully I don't annoy y'all with my sucking of candy. Here is the, oh my goodness, look how cute, the labels. Joy to the world. It does say that, right? Yeah. Joy to the world. Merry Christmas. Merry and bright. And let it snow. Yay! Those are super cute. I love that. Okay. And then there is a charm pack of SNOWKISSED. I will go over all the patterns with you. Have I done that already? Actually, I think I've shown you guys this in another video, but we'll go through it. Okay, so I know I keep saying that I'm really not sure how I feel about this. I'm still not really sure how I feel about it, but they have been printing all the fabric like on one panel, and to get the fat quarter, you just have to cut them apart yourself. And each one is a fat quarter when you cut it. So they're giving us this plaid. Oops. And we have this snow, I'm not thinking of the name of it, like a beanie, a hat, whatever, on a green background. And then we've got this herringbone. It's not coming across just because it's so tight. Let me get closer. So it looks like that. And then the fabric with words on the white background. So super cute, you guys. This is the red and green print. And then you'll see so we have 8 fat quarters, basically. You just have to cut them apart. Okay, so here's the, like the multicolor. This is what they're calling the multicolor of the words on fabric. And then here's a herringbone. It's like a cream color. And then here are the snow hats on a gray background. And then a different plaid. Okay. Then, oh my goodness, look, there's another one. Okay. Jelly bean, baby, just scooch back. You don't have to, we can share the chair. You just can't take the whole darn thing up. Come on, you can come back here. Okay. It's actually not that messy in here for a change. Okay, let me try to pull this down so I can show you what's in the SNOWKISSED. I want to like chew this candy so bad. Do you ever get like that? Where it's like, you know you probably shouldn't chew it, but you really want to, like so bad, and you just can't help yourself? Mm-hmm. That's me. Okay. Let's go through this. Now, the thing with Sweetwater is they always have a whole bunch of SKUs. So you could go through, now that one's a repeat. There are not many repeats in a Sweetwater charm pack or anything. Just because they have so many SKUs. Which is good. Especially if you like the wide variety of all of the fabrics. Now, it's not good if you're purchasing for a shop, a small shop, and they have like, you know, 36 SKUs. And you're like, there's no way I'm going to buy 36 bolts of fabric. But then you love all of them. So you're like, I can't even choose. They're all so amazing. Oh, look, there's 2 of that one. That's the multi-words, multicolored words. Oh, good. We got 2 of that one. I'm not sad about that. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. I just love this line. Do. 2 of those. And we got a red squiggly. Come on now. I can't get them to come apart. They love each other. Oh, 2 squigglies. There's that red herringbone. There's that plaid. Those are just little dots. And I love how they did the dots, how they're so not uniform. You know, they're like a toss of dots. Ooh, look at the red background on the words. Yes, please. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, more of the little houses, but with the red. And look at their red. Oh, I love it. It's like crimson. It's like deep, and I love it. Oh, look at it on the aqua. I know it's upside down, guys, but there you go. And then we got the numbers. That one is a herringbone. It's the aqua and white. You can see it a little bit better. And that's the winter hat toss. Y'all, why it feels like it's not the right word, but I can't think of what it is. It's terrible. White squiggly on aqua background. Got two of those. Oh, and then we got the houses with the aqua background. There's that plaid. Did I skip one? No, I guess not. It feels like it, but no. Okay. There's the numbers in green. Green herringbone. Green with white squiggly. Oh, two of those. The houses on green. And then finally the words on green. So that's the line. You guys, it's amazing. I'm pretty sure I showed this in another video, but you can't show it too many times. I love it. First of all, I love Christmas. Secondly, I love Sweetwater. And third, just this line is amazing. I love it. I love the whole thing. If I were like won the lotto, I would buy all the SKUs. So that is the Project Sweetwater with SNOWKISSED. I am so happy that you came to watch, and I will be back with more unboxing. Don't go anywhere. Bye, guys. Mwah.